bad. Listen to this.
Oh my gosh.
You hear that? Oh my gosh, it scared me to death. Hi everybody, Dr. Danny. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about headaches and the C1 adjustment. Wow! So the top cervical bone sits just below the base of the skull. And if we follow this out here, an effect of a misalignment or subluxation at C1 most commonly is things like headaches and migraines. And we see hundreds, if not thousands, of patients that suffer with daily headaches, daily migraines when they start care.
Whoa, what was that?
Crazy.
What was that?
That was his neck.
I'm going to show you two adjustments and how the protocol we use to deal with headaches. And that's this C1 bone here. What we're doing here is we're going to lift the occiput up off of C1. And what that's going to do is create more space where those nerves exit the spine there. What I'm going to be doing is putting my fingers, middle fingers, underneath the base of her skull and my thumbs under her chin. And what we're going to be doing is just pulling traction towards me like this. We're just going to hold, let go, pull again, let off, and then one more. We're going to give her a quick tug, just like that. So like I showed you, what that's doing is tractioning open that space where the nerves exit, and then we're going to fix the rotation misalignment in the upper cervical spine. And again, we're looking at C1, this top cervical vertebra. So what we'll look for here is I'm going to palpate on either side, and palpate is just fancy words for touch or feel. So we're feeling on either side of Puspa's C1, and we're looking for that rotation. And hers is rotated posterior or backwards on the right hand side. So what I'm going to do is put my finger behind that bone, lean her head to the side, and rotate her just slightly to open up the space on the left side to make the adjustment easier. And then we're just going to drop her head over just like that. So simple, quick, and easy. You can see Puspa is not in any pain right now. Adjustments are extremely safe. They don't cause any pain. So there you go. Thanks, guys.
You don't mind feeling super wonderful, do you?
No. It's,
Okay, good. Okay, just checking. Just checking. Big breath in. Let it all the way out. Relax. There we go. Awesome. Take a big breath in. Let it all the way out. Relax your hips. There we go. Awesome. Good. Come on up. Let's get that neck adjusted. Now, I believe this is your favorite adjustment, isn't it? No more headaches, right? Perfect. Love it. Great. Relax your head. Ooh, amazing. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. I really hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Accelerated Health. Make sure you do the 4 things now. Comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button. We'll see you next week.